Hi, just an update on the Cavalier. I had to take out the drive shafts and I'm taking out of these suspension struts and stuff. I had to cut this off because it was seized solid, as is quite common with these. I've obviously need to take eventually take all the subframe and stuff out as well. So I'm just taking these out at the moment, and the brake caliper's off and this is off. So I just need to take the top bit off and this top strut mount bolt, and then this will come off, and then I need to do the same on the other side, but luckily this one came off. So once that's done, I can start taking out the sort of subframe and stuff, but the drive shaft as well, I had to take the drive shaft off. Obviously just get all this out of the way, so that's kind of where I'm at the moment. So next step, I'm taking this off, and then it's the other side as well, strut. Okay, see you in the next video.